the inside pictures of the preparations at the venue of the Bhumi Pujan, which will be held in Ayodhya on the 5th of August. Now, this is where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be laying the foundation stone to begin the construction of the Ram Mandir. Mahant Raju Das, who is the chief priest of the Hanuman Gadi area, the mandir there, has said that they have been given 7 minutes. This includes the arrival and the departure of the Prime Minister, about 3 minutes, where he will be spending in worship. Let me go across to Piyush, who is joining us at this point. Good morning, Piyush. We're getting the first pictures. It's going to be a very short visit of the Prime Minister. He will be there, inaugurating and then leaving the place.
Well, absolutely, what we're learning is that on August 5, the Prime Minister will be for Bhumi Pujan, and he has decided that he will be first visiting to Hanuman Gadi, and where he will be offering special worship. And what we're also learning is that arrangements have been made there for the special prayers there. We're learning that around 7 minutes have been given to the official prayer at Hanuman Gadi, and this includes the arrival and departure of Prime Minister for. And what we're also learning is that about 3 minutes will be spent in worship, and after that he will be going to the main stone laying ceremony. Prime Minister will be going there, and then the official process will begin. But as far as this is concerned, Mahant Raju Das has informed that the Prime Minister will be reaching there at Hanuman Gadi, where he will be spending around 3 minutes as far as this inauguration is concerned, and he will be spending around 3 minutes for the worship.
All right, so the first pictures of the Bhumi Pujan venue that we're putting up first on Republic, as Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also be taking stock of the situation. He is to arrive at noon today, his second visit before the Bhumi Pujan happens on the 5th. And the Chief Minister will be reviewing the security arrangements there. And we'll be getting you all the live coverage as Piyush is there in Ayodhya, getting us the updates before the Bhumi Pujan takes place. And we have seen both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Ministers arriving there. And the first pictures, the inside pictures of the Bhumi Pujan venue, where Prime Minister Modi will be arriving there. Now, it is said to be a very short visit, just of 7 minutes, as it is being said by the chief priest of Hanuman Gadi. That 7 minutes visit includes the arrival and the departure of the Prime Minister, and about 3 minutes will be spent in worship, in which he will be laying the foundation stone of the Ram Mandir, which is said to be ready in about 3.5 years. But this is something, the first pictures that we are getting for you on Republic, as in about 3 hours from now, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath once again will be visiting the district, as we update you also on the preparations that are on in a full swing. The entire district has been spruced up, and the appeal that has been also made by the Chief Minister to the devotees to stay in their homes and follow all the COVID-related protocols, but also to light up diyas even the night before the Bhumi Pujan on the 4th of August and also on the 5th of August. So it is Diwali once again for the people of Ayodhya on the 5th of August, when though the celebrations will not be a grand event, but nevertheless, looking at the COVID situation, the Prime Minister, who himself was invited and accepted the invitation, will be arriving for 7 minutes only. That is the program that is slated to happen on the 5th.
Preparations for grand ceremony, which is also to take place on August 5, is underway, and today Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is coming. We are now going to show you the visuals, the views, the entry of Ayodhya, where the massive preparations are underway. My video journalist Vivek Singh, who is giving his best to show you the pictures, to give you visuals of this very area. We are showing you the pictures where how the security arrangements have been done. You see that police personnel have been deployed in large numbers. Security apparatus is at its place, and the massive preparations are going on. We are now entering inside this very area, the city of Ayodhya, which is also painted in blue color, and this has been done to give a new look to the city. And also this is very interesting to see as to how the kind of preparations which are now going on. We are now at the entrance, where you can clearly read Hardik Swagat evam Abhinandan Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir ka Bhumi Pujan evam कार्यारंभ के अवसर पर हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन. So that's the entry gate. We have now entered inside the city of Ayodhya, which is also being painted into yellow color. What we have picked from our sources is that it is being done to give it a new look, to give it a Yuga of Treta Yuga, when Shri Ram ruled the city during that particular Yuga. And right now you can see that how every house, every lane has now been painted into the yellow color, and the pictures are itself giving us some sort of telling us some sort of story of the kind of preparations those are now taking place. What we are also learning is that from 3rd of August till 5th of August, around 1 lakh earthen pots will be lightened to give it a new look.
कहा जाता है कि राम द्वारे तुम रखवारे होत ना गया बिन पैसारे. यहाँ पर हनुमान जी महाराज राजा के रूप में विराजमान है. आप कहीं पर देखेंगे, किसी भी मंदिर में जाएंगे आप तो देखेंगे कि हनुमान जी भगवान श्री राम के चरण में बैठे मिलेंगे. लेकिन यहीं पर आपको ऐसा देखने को मिलेगा कि जो साक्षात हनुमान जी सामने बैठे हैं और पीछे राम दरबार है. मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम भगवान श्री राम ने मर्यादा का पालन किया, इसीलिए हम लोग मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम भी कहते हैं. मर्यादा का पालन किया और उन्होंने हनुमान जी महाराज को राज तिलक दिया, राजा के रूप में बैठे हैं. और राम जन्मभूमि के मुख्य द्वार पे ये दुर्ग है और इसमें हनुमान जी का वास है, साक्षात हनुमान जी का वास है, क्योंकि माता सीता जी ने उनको लंका में आशीर्वाद दिया था. अजर अमर गुण निश्चित हो, अजरता का, अमरता का और पुत्रवत आशीर्वाद हनुमान जी महाराज को दिया था. इसके नाते हनुमान जी मानस पुत्र भगवान श्री राम के, तो ज्येष्ठ पुत्रों का ही पहले राजघरानों में राजअभिषेक होता था. तो हनुमान जी राजा के रूप में विराजमान है. 5 तारीख को माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी भूमि पूजन में आ रहे हैं. इसके नाते पहले उन्होंने तय किया कि हनुमानगढ़ी दर्शन पूजन करने के बाद राम जन्मभूमि भूमि पूजन में शामिल होंगे, क्योंकि लगातार तमाम विघ्न बाधे उत्पन्न हो रहे थे और हनुमान जी ही ऐसे प्रत्यक्ष साक्षात देवता हैं जो सारे विघ्न बाधे दूर करते हैं. तो प्रधानमंत्री जी पहले हनुमानगढ़ी आएंगे. हनुमानगढ़ी में विशेष पूजा की व्यवस्था यह रहेगी कि हमारे वैदिक ब्राह्मणों के द्वारा जब प्रधानमंत्री जी आएंगे उनको स्वस्ति वाचन करते हुए लाने के बाद हनुमान जी के सामने पूजन आरती उन